Edison Electronic Blox. Edison Electronics Blox is a great electronics activity series kit. This kit is designed especially for children to get early knowledge of electronics. This kit includes many components like RGB color module, capacitor, resistor, pulse width modulation, buzzer and many more. It helps to understand the core principle of electronics. This kit includes activity cards, which helps learners to understand the fundamental principle of electronics and different use case of electronic components. Using this kit, learners can build different real-life activities on acrylic platforms, for example, melody generate, automatic night light, and many more. By using this kit, learners can build longer constructive activities, multiple gameplays, course team activities, and also it helps to develop analytical skills, motor skills, and practical problem-solving skills, which ultimately brings innovative and creative thinking to learners.